Hi dear students, I am your Srinivas, continuing the maths class for 5th standard, that is knowing our number exercise 1.2. In that fourth main, what is the fourth main? Write the successor of the following. Write the successor of the following. What is the meaning of successor? Successor means the number which comes after that number. For example, 2 is the successor of 1, 3 is the successor of 2, 4 is the successor of 3, like that. That means the number which comes after the number is called as successor. Okay, we call them in the kings, who is the successor of this king. Like that, the successor means the number which comes after the number. Just you add 1, you get the successor. If you want to get the successor of this number, just add 1 for this number, then you get the successor. Very easy. So I will do, just you see here, the number, they have given the number unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 7 crore, 58 lakh, 21,000. So the successor, next number is 7 crore, 58 lakhs, 21,001. Next, here they are given 42 lakhs 69,589. So the successor 42 lakhs 69,590, because when you add 1 for this, 89 becomes 90. This is the successor. Next, here 6 crore 75 lakhs 92,999. Okay, when you add 1 for this, 6 crore 75 lakhs 93,000. Because when you add 1 for this becomes 0. Next, carry 1, 0. Next, carry 1, 0. 2 plus 1, 3. That is 6 crore 75 lakhs 93,000. No doubt in this. Next, here 60 lakhs 59,389. 60 lakhs 59,389. Next number is 60 lakhs 59,390. 390, 89. After that, 1, if you add 1, or the next number is 390, 389, 390. Just this is about the successor. Successor means next number, just next number. That's all. That means here 0, 0, 0, you add 1. Here 89, this becomes 90. 999, it becomes 2,999, it becomes 3,000. Here 89 becomes 90. I hope no doubt in this. Okay, here just where successor means next number. Next, the fifth main. They are given, write the predecessor of the following. Predecessor, that means the back number, which is the number before this number. Before this number, that means here 2 is the predecessor of 3. 2 is the predecessor of 3. 3 is the predecessor of 4. That means before number. Which number comes before this number? So here it is 651. So the number is 650. Here they have given 92 lakhs 37,651. So what is the predecessor number is 92 lakhs 37,650. So 92 lakhs 37,650. Just means you have here you have added 1, here you subtract 1 from the given number. Next, here 83 crores 65 lakhs 21,000 they have given. So if you subtract 1, what will happen? 20,999. 20,999. Just you subtract 1 from this. Okay, here you get 9, 9, 9. This becomes 0. So 20,999. Now come to here. 4 crore 51 lakhs 67,310. 4 crore 51 lakhs 67,310. It becomes 309. 310 becomes 309. Okay, here 10 lakhs 20,300, 10 lakhs 20,000, 1 less for 300, that is 299. Very simple problems. Very simple problems. Successor means adding 1, predecessor means subtracting 1. That means successor means you have to keep in mind that is the next number. The next number. Here predecessor means the before number. Okay, that is the before number, predecessor as well as the successor. Okay, next we will continue. Now the sixth main. What the sixth main? Write the next two numbers just after. Write the two numbers just after. Write the two successors for this number. Two successors for this number. So I am writing here. Copy the same number up to here. 79. Next number is 80. Next number is 81. That's all. So here they have given 36 crores 45 lakhs 60,279. So the next two numbers is 36 crores 45 lakhs 60,280. Here it is 279. Next number is 280. Next predecessor, next successor. What is the next successor? 36 crores 45 lakhs 60,281. 281. So here 279, 280, 281. So these are the next two numbers just after this number. Next, come to here. It is 61,23,999. So the next number is 61,24,000. Because when you add 1 to this 3,999 become 4,000. Okay. Any doubt? No doubt, because 3,900, when you add 1 for that, you get 4,000. You get 4,000. So next number, I will write here 61,23,000. Sorry, 24,001. 24,001. This is the number 61,23,999. Next number is 61,24,000. Next 61,24,001. So these are the after two numbers. I have written only two. Another one is there. So you just do in the home or practice problem. That is the practice problem in the home. Okay. Next we will move to the seventh main. Write the three numbers just before. That means here we have written next two numbers. Next two numbers, here you have to write the three numbers which are come earlier than this. Which comes earlier than this. So we will write the first number is 79 crore 25 lakhs 65,001. 002 001. This is the first number. Next number is 79 crore 25 lakhs 65,000. This is the second number. Before this the number is 79 crore 25 lakhs 64,999. Because when you add 1 for this, you will get this number 4,999, 5,000, 5,001, 5,002. Remaining everything same. 79 crore 25 lakhs 60,000 is same. After this 5,001, sorry 5,002, 5,001, 5,000, 4,999. That means we are subtracting 1 from. That means write the three numbers just before this number. Which are the numbers coming before this number? How many? 3. Before this one. Before this number. Before this, the 79 lakhs 25,000. Sorry, 79 crore 25 lakhs 64,999. So when you come to this, here they have given 52 lakhs 61,990. So before that number means 90 means 89. 88, 87. That's all. So we will write 52 lakhs 61,989. 989. This is the first number. Second number 52 lakhs 61,988. This is the second number. Next, before that number is 52 lakhs 61,987. So these are the three numbers which come just before this number. Just before this number, 987, 988, 989, 990. Okay, these are the three numbers which comes just before. Here also I have not written one problem, so that is for your homework or practice problem. Just practice that problem in your home. I will ask in the next class, so just you have to show it, okay, without fail. Okay, I hope you understand this very well. We will go to the next main, that is 8th main. So now 8th main. Write the numbers in between by observing the pattern. They have given some pattern here. Just to understand it and write the gap. That means fill the gap that or write the number in the given pattern. Okay, in the given, fill in the blanks. Okay, that means they have given the blanks. Just you write the number which comes in this pattern. First one. What is the first one number? 8,79,510. Second number is 8,79,520. Third number they have not given, 8,79,540. What is the third number? That means here how much is rising? 10, 20, 40. That means here it is, yes, 30. How much? 30. So we have to write 8,79,530. Okay, 510, 520, 530, 540. So this is the pattern. Next, come to here. Here they are given the pattern here, 600, 800, 900. That means here it should come 700. Here it should come 700. 6 crore 14 lakhs 32,628. Next number is 6 crore 14 lakhs 32,728. Every time you have to read the number. Then you will practice reading the number very well. For that reason only I am reading every time. Otherwise, just I will say 628, 728, 828, 928. What I am saying, the number, full number, because it practice you more to read a bigger number easily. Okay, every time please read the number. Here they have given 6 crore 14 lakhs 32,628, 6 lakhs 14 lakhs 32,728, 6 crore 14 lakhs 32,828, 6 crore 14 lakhs 32,928. So this is the pattern. Next, when you come to here they are given 29 crores 47 lakhs 15,638. Here 29 crore 47 lakhs 35,638. Here they have given the pattern here and here. That means here each time 20,000 has jumped. So here 10,000. Here it should be 10,000. That is 10,000 plus 10,000, 20,000. You write the number 29 crore 47 lakhs 25,638. So this is the number. 15,000, 25,000, 35,000. That means increasing 10,000. That is the pattern here. Here it is 10,000 they are increasing. Here 100 they are increasing. Here 10,000 they are increasing. Come to here. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 53 lakh, 8 they have given. Here they have not given anything. Here 56. That means 53, 54, 55, 56. So here you have to write 54 lakhs 8. Here 55 lakhs 8. And this number is 56 lakhs. That means here the pattern, that is 3, 4, 5, 6. So this completes your exercise 1.2. I hope you understand very well. Next we will move to the international system of numbering. That means numeration. That means how we will read the numbers in international system. Till now we read the number in our Indian system. In international system, that means throughout the world, how they will read the number. In this session we will learn here now we will learn about that. Okay, that is international system of numerization. I hope you understand very well the exercise 1.2, that is Indian system, how we will write the crores, 10 crores, lakhs together, predecessor, successor, everything. Now we will move to the international system of numeration. International system of numeration. That means how the numbers are reading in international level throughout the world. Throughout the world, they will follow one system that is called as international system of numeration. Okay, here in the Indian system, what we will do, how we will read unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So now in Indian system, how we will read the number by unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. But in international system, the crores we are not counting by the crores. Here some different names we use to read the numbers. We use some different names. For example, this is the number. How we will read by the Indian number? 15 crore, 75 lakh, 68,321. But in international system, here the first we are marking for 3 places. Here we are marking for 3 places, next 2 places, and next 2 places, we are putting the comma. Okay, but in international system, we can't do like this. Here they will follow the different, that is the same number. If you write the same number, first unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Shadow bidutte. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಹ್ಞೂ ಸರ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಕಣ್ಣು ಒಂಥರ ಬರೀ ಆ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡಿ. When we write the same number in international system, first 1, 2, 3, comma, next for 3 places, next for 3 places. Here first 3 places, 2 place, 2 place, 2 place, like that. But here in international system of numerization, we are marking the commas for every 3 digits. Every 3 digits, first for 1000 place. Next, up to unit 10, 100 place. Next, starting from 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Next, million, 10 million, 100 million. Here we are not using lakhs or crores. Here we are using million. After that, billion. After that, billion. Now, for you, up to here million only, we are learning. That is about the 9 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits. 9 digits in international system consists of 100 million, 10 million, million, 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10 ones. The same thing I have written here. How the numbers are distributed, what is the table, how the period table will come in the international system of numeration. International system of numeration, here first comes the ones, that is 1, 10, 100, same. 1,000, 10,000, here 100,000 will come. That is in Indian system it is 1 lakh, but here it is 100,000. Next comes to million. Next comes to million. 100,000 million. Just wait. I will have to write 1 0 extra here. Okay. So this is 1 million. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. Here it is 10 million. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Next, 100 million. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. I hope you understand. Okay, here there is no lakhs or crores. Okay, here 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Next is million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, this system is called as International System of Numeration. This is, I think you have studied in the 4th standard itself, but here we are going to million, 10 million, 100 millions. Okay, we will do the problems on this in this class only. Okay, next exercise 1.3. First they given the fill in the blanks. First main they have given fill in the blanks. Exercise 1.3. Okay, fill in the blanks they have given. 1 million is equal to, first one, 1 million is equal to dash 100,000. Dash 100,000. Second one, they are given in A. I am also writing say B. 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. C1, 1 crore is equal to dash million. Dash million. D1, 1 million is equal to dash lakh. E1, 1 crore is equal to dash lakh. We'll solve this now. 1 million is equal to dash 100,000. First you write 1 million. That is, how you will write? Unit 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Okay. Unit 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. That means how many 100,000s are there? 10 100,000s. Up to here 100,000. After this 1, that means 10 100,000s are there. How many 100,000s? 10 hundred thousands are there in 1 million. 10 hundred thousands are there in 1 million. You come to 1 lakh. How many 10,000? Just you write down 1 lakh. So this is 1 lakh. How many 10,000s? Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 10 10,000s. That means after this 1 is there. So 10 10,000s are there. How many 10,000s? 10 10,000s are there in 1 lakh. Next 1 crore, how many millions? 1 crore, how many millions? Just you write down the 1 million here first, or 1 crore first. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Millions, now we count. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. How many millions? 10 millions. So 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. Now you understand? First write 1 crore. Then you mark the commas in international system, that is for 3, 3 next to 2, that is 10 million. Next 1 million. You write in 1 million. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. Okay, how many lakhs? Convert this into lakhs. That means you put the commas in Indian system. That is how much you get. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. That is the here also the answer is 10 lakhs only. 10 lakhs. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. Okay. Next 1 crore is equal to how many lakhs? 1 crore is equal to how many lakhs? Here 1 crore is there. Okay, unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, okay, lakh, 10 lakh, 100 lakhs. That means what is 1 crore is equal to? 1 crore is equal to 100 lakhs. 1 crore is equal to 100 lakh. Okay, I hope you understand. 1 million is equal to 10, 100,000. 1 lakh is equal to 10, 10,000. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. 1 crore is equal to 100 lakh. Okay, next we will move to the second. Insert commas properly and write the names according to International System of Numeration. International System of Numeration, second problem. So the second one, insert commas properly and write the names according to International System of Numeration. That means we have to insert the commas. In the international system, for first 3, next 3. Okay, how you will read? Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Once again I am reading unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So what is this number? I am writing 10 million. 900 27,000 892 892. I am doing slowly for your better understanding. Just it is 10 million 927,000. Here no lakhs. Okay, 927,892. Okay, when you come to this number, commas for first 3, next 3 and last one. Next we will start unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. That means 4,573,822. 4,573,822 822 822. So this is the number 4,573,822. So this is the number 4,573,822. I hope you understand up to here. Okay, we will discuss the next in the remaining classes. I have done here 2 problems and another 2 for your homework you have to do in the home. Okay, thank you very much.